everybody. In today's video we're going to be doing the unboxing for November with Young Living, my subscription box. Just so you know, I'm going to be in this outfit in like 4 different videos, but I only have a certain amount of time to do videos, so I gotta kind of get them quick, and you know, I don't have time to do it on different days and whatnot. But just so you know, I do take a shower every day and clean, and Shiva's here right now looking for her usual sticks, but we don't have any. Okay, let's go over what I got for November's last month's subscription box. Again, I get, you know, the newsletter every month, and my favorite is, ooh, this looks good, maple rosemary roasted squash, the recipe, in love. And it's the holiday season, and they gave me a holiday catalog as well for this month, not months. Okay, moving on. What I got is Sacred Mountain. I love their body wash soaps or bar soaps. I love their bar soaps. And Sacred Mountain is my favorite smell. I love it, and this is what it looks like. It has olive, black spruce, ylang-ylang, balsam Canada, jojoba, wolfberry, cedar wood, and oat, aloe vera, and rosemary. I just really like this bar of soap. Next up, I got the Thieves dish soap, and it's based on plant-based ingredients, and it's fresh, citrus fresh. It's free from SLS, dyes, SLES, formaldehyde, phosphates, and synthetic perfume. I wanted to switch to this one because I was using Trader Joe's lavender soap, which I know is not authentic lavender, and as well, it's probably toxic. This just has, you know, your normal Thieves oil in it, lemon, clove, cinnamon, rosemary, and eucalyptus. Those are all right. Yep, jade lemon has in here, and bergamot as well. It has the other citrus in it. And I got this just to have for cleaning my dishes. And then it's kind of like a theme for my kitchen. I ordered this automatic dishwasher powder, and it's in the same scent, naturally derived ingredients. It's plant-based and it's fresh, nutritious. Again, it contains no synthetic surfactants, artificial fragrances, dyes, and phosphates. You only need to use 1 scoop of powder in the dishwasher dispenser and use 2 scoops for heavy loads. I got this and that because I wasn't really using an organic brand, and now I got to switch that. The last thing that I got is this Lavaderm cooling mist. It smells like lavender. It has the lavender oil in it. You could spray it on your face if you'd like, but you want to shake it well before you use it. And it's a cooling mist. As it says, it's soothing, nourishes, and moistens the skin. And I just wanted to use it for, you know, my lady area when it's that time of the month and you just want to smell a little pretty. You could put some of this on, and that is the reason why I bought it. TMI, but that is why. You hear the crunching, it's Shiva crunching on the plastic, because I didn't get any oil, so she didn't get the little tube. But that is that. Those are the 4 things that I got this month for my order. I got the Sacred soap, the dish soap, the dishwasher powder soap, and the Lavaderm. I'm super excited to use these and to see how it cleans my plates in the dishwasher. I just recently cleaned out my dishwasher with baking soda and vinegar because it was getting dirty and the drain was getting dirty. Excuse me, This is a super short video. I didn't get that much. I just got the regular order for the month, and I'll see you guys on the next Young Living order for December 2018. Can you believe that it's December, guys? What is happening? Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Bye, guys.